Scrunch the Caterpillar by Stephen Krinsky, illustrated by Jennifer Morris. Characters: Scrunch, Spider, Bee, Ant, Grasshopper. Scrunch was very good at crawling and eating leaves, but that was all he could do. One day, Scrunch saw his friend Grasshopper. "I can rub my legs on my wings and make music," Grasshopper bragged. "Maybe I could do that," said Scrunch. Scrunch rubbed his legs on his back, but nothing happened. Then Scrunch saw Ant. "I can carry things that are bigger than I am," Ant said. "Maybe I could do that," said Scrunch. Scrunch tried to carry a big leaf, but he dropped it. Then Scrunch saw Bee. "I can make sweet honey," buzzed the bee. Scrunch knew he couldn't do that, so he just kept crawling and eating, but he felt sad. "Wow," said Scrunch as he watched Spider spin a web. Scrunch knew he couldn't do that. "But I think there is something else I can do," he said. The next day, Scrunch stopped crawling and eating, and he wrapped himself inside a hard shell. When Scrunch came out a few days later, he looked different. "Can you make music? Can you carry heavy things? Can you make honey? Can you spin a web?" asked his friends. "No, I can't," said Scrunch, "but I can do this." Then Scrunch spread his new butterfly wings and flew up into the sky. "I wish I could do that,"